So at MAZARINE, we invested very heavily in state-of-the-art machinery. Customization is very, very important to us as well as to our customers. We have here an 8x10 CNC machine that we cut all of our signs. You can actually see quite a few of them here. These are customers that are awaiting their units to come to them on the dock. You can see, for instance, this customer here, we cut through so the lights are able to glow through the letters and create that great effect that you've probably seen on the front of the MAZARINE. But I also want to show you an upgrade that we do. So the inside panel that we have in our cases are incredibly cool and offer some really, really great customization things to do. So as an example, we have a customer here who wanted to put the gear that he bought his boat in there. Let me show you a couple other ones because there's a couple of my favorites. As you can see here, we have a lot of customers here that have done some really creative things. Let me just point out a couple. This is a customer in Jupiter, Florida with a beautiful Viking. They put their line art there, the boat logo name, as well as their home port in there. I was going to show you another one, but I think it's just really cool. So this customer is another Viking owner, huge Clemson Tiger fans. And so we put a big giant paw print on the inside. Out of all things, the customer there, they absolutely love this. They can't wait to show it off to their friends, probably those who aren't Clemson Tiger fans. So as you can see, we got a lot of different options. We're very creative with this. We invest heavily into really, really great machinery and tools that we need in order to make some really creative ideas come to life.